Shark Navigator Vacuum Cleaner. This product review is Amazon Associate, commissions earned. You find the Amazon link to the product in the video description. If you want to see more reviews like this, remember to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Feel free to like and comment. Here's a complete product analysis of the Shark Navigator Vacuum Cleaner, one of Shark's most popular upright models. The analysis covers features, performance, ease of use, and overall value for money. Shark Navigator Vacuum Cleaner. Full product analysis. Key features. Lift-away technology for portable cleaning. Anti-allergen complete seal with HEPA filter. Powerful suction for deep carpet and floor cleaning. Brush roll shutoff for safe hard floor vacuuming. Swivel steering for easy maneuverability. Extra large dust cup for longer cleaning sessions. Lightweight upright design, approximately 13.7 pounds. Includes accessories, crevice tool, upholstery tool, pet brush. Washable filters for low maintenance. Suitable for pet hair and multi-surface use. Performance. Carpet cleaning. Excellent suction power combined with a rotating brush makes it very effective on low to medium pile carpets. It pulls up deep-seated dirt, pet hair, and fine dust with ease. Hard floor cleaning. Performs very well. The brush roll can be turned off to avoid scattering debris, and suction alone is powerful enough for bare floors like tile, hardwood, and vinyl. Pet hair. One of its standout strengths, the Pet Power brush tool and strong suction make it effective at removing fur from furniture, rugs, and stairs. Filtration. The combination of a sealed system and HEPA filter traps allergens inside the vacuum, great for asthma and allergy sufferers. Ease of use. Assembly. Quick and simple out of the box, takes just a few minutes. Portability. The lift-away canister is a game changer. It turns the upright into a portable vacuum, ideal for stairs or reaching high areas. Maneuverability. Swivel steering gives it great control around furniture and in tight spaces, although not quite as nimble as stick vacuums. Noise level, dot. Moderately loud, but quieter than many traditional upright vacuums. Maintenance. Easy to empty dustbin, washable filters, and minimal recurring costs. Keeping the brush roll clean of hair is necessary but simple. Value for money. Price range. Typically between $150 to $200 USD, depending on the model and retailer. What you get. Strong suction comparable to higher-end vacuums. Lift-away portability. Reliable filtration. Long product lifespan with minimal maintenance. Compared to competitors. Cheaper than Dyson, but still highly effective. More versatile than basic Bissell models. Better all-around features than similarly priced uprights from Hoover. Conclusion. Is the Shark Navigator worth it? Yes, especially if you're looking for a versatile, reliable, and powerful upright vacuum without breaking the bank. It's an excellent all-rounder. Strong suction, allergy-friendly, easy to use, and packed with features normally found in more expensive models. Best for families with pets, people with allergies, homes with both carpet and hard floors, budget-conscious shoppers wanting premium performance.